Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do table formatting. And for table formatting, just do a simple table and then we'll continue the formatting. So let me click on this icon for table. Then let me try to resize it. Then now we'll drag country and drop on the values. Then again I'll drag quantity, order quantity, drop in the values, and then I also need region. I will drag and drop on the values. Then I will drag total product cost and drop on the values. We will also drag sales amount, drop on the values, and gross margin, drop on the values. So now we have a simple table here to format, and then under our visualization pin, down here we have two buttons. We have button for field and also a button for format. So when I click on format, we have various windows down here. So within the windows we have various options. So when I expand on style, and then when I click on the downward arrow for style, see I have various options. Again, when I go to column headers, I have various options to choose from. Then when I go to value as well, I have various options to choose from. So we'll just do a few to show you how you can format a table. So let me start with grid. So when I click expand on grid, you can see I have vertical grid and horizontal grid. So let me try to put on the vertical grid. Then when I put on the vertical grid, I can now see I have thin lines running vertically and separating the columns. So the vertical grids can also change their color. Let me try to use that color. Then I can as well increase the thickness of the grid. And then when I move down further to horizontal grid, I can change the color as well to a different color. Then I can as well increase the thickness. Then you can also increase the row padding, and when I talk about the row padding, I mean the vertical height of our row. So let me try to increase the row padding, and when I increase, you can see the height of our table rows are also, the height of the table rows is increasing. So again, you can also change the outline color as well. You can also increase the weight of the outline color. Again, you can increase the text size also. See. Then now let me try to minimize this window and expand on another window. So let me go to column headers. You can change the font color of the column headers to a different color. You can change the background color. Let me try use black. You can also change the outline. You can also auto size the column width. You can change the font color and the text size as well. Then let me try to minimize this window again and move on to the window for values. So values here we mean the numerical values. You can change the color. Let me use this color here, and then I can also change the background color to a different color. Let me try this. And then you can also have alternate font. You can use red. And then you can also have alternate background color. So let me try use black. Then you can also change the outline, and then you can have word wrap on or off. You can change the font family, text size as well. You can change. Then now you can also go to total window, of which you can put it on or you can put it off. and we can also rename the total text. Let's call it total figures. Okay, and you can change the font color as well, and then the background color also you can change. Then you can give it an outline, you can change the font family, text size. Then let me try to minimize the window for total, then you can go to field formatting. So when I talk about field, I mean the fields that I was dragging from my field pin and dropping under values. So here we have country, we have region, order, quantity, total product, code, sales amount, and gross margin. So I can choose any field and change and do some formatting. So let me work on the country field here. I can change the font color to be, let me try white, and then I can also change the background color to be, let me try that color. So we have various options here still that we can choose from when we are doing the field formatting, and then we also have conditional formatting, of which we will do on the next video. And then we can also put the title on and then give whatever title. Let me just call it simple table. Okay, and we can we can change the color, and we can also give it a different background, maybe black, and then we can align it to the center, and then increase also the text size of our title. Then again we have various options, or rather various windows. So let me go into the border. Then we can choose our border color. Then we can also give our border radius of 18px. And then after border we also have shadow, which we can put it on. Then we can also give our shadow a different color. Let me try give it white, and then when I give it white, you can see now I have a white shadow outside my table. So when you want to format your table within a very short time, or rather within shortest time possible, you can expand on style, and then from here you have various options that you can choose from. You can choose sparse, or you can choose bold header, fleshy rows. You can choose fleshy rows. You can choose contrast alternating rows, or you can choose bold header. You can choose any color that you need, and you want to do, rather when you want to format your table within a very short time. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood, and let's meet again in the next video.